Broke our sway bar end links. Let's put one in. So on this, bottom nut's going to be 15 millimeter. Comes with these nice little bushings, and then, you know, all other jobber guys you put in. Fish. That up through the bottom. We're going to put our bushing in. Then we're going to put our insert in the middle. We're going to go up. And then put our bushing, put our washer on the bushing. Push it up through the hole. And put our bushing on the top. Now the top one doesn't have a washer because it's built in with this guy. Get that guy screwed on. Let's get this tightened down. So, 15 for the bottom, and a 16 for the top. Get these guys smooshed down. Feeling really awkward here. There we go. That's a little less so. Come on. There it goes. We're just about there, fellas and ladies. Snug that down. Those start to mushroom a little bit. All is right in the world. And with that being said, guys, give us that thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and stay tuned for more.